I'm excited to announce that we are not hitting my microphone. Dreamers, my name's Jacqueline. Welcome to Dreams of Music and Makeup, or welcome back if you are a loyal subscriber here. Glad to have you. Or if you are new, either way, glad to see you here. Consider subscribing if you are new. I would love to have you around here for 2 videos a week. I'm excited to announce that we are getting back to 2 videos a week, and I'm very excited to announce how. We're gonna call them Tip Tuesday. I did kind of borrow that name from another YouTuber who used to use this, and that is Tati. She is someone who has inspired me for many years on this platform, and she just recently gave herself a break from doing 5 videos a week since the beginning of her YouTube career. That is so respectable, and honored to be borrowing something from her. Tip Tuesday for you guys, where we just do short little snippets of things that will be helpful for you. So while I may have mentioned these things in other videos in passing, I figured that would be a very helpful thing that I could provide to you guys as well as newcomers to this channel. Today we are talking about skincare and the best possible thing you can do to prevent aging. And I'm actually going to tell you 2 things today. The bonus for your first ever Tip Tuesday. And that is, you want to use an SPF that has titanium dioxide, zinc oxide as the main ingredients. Those are going to protect your skin from age spots that those other chemical sunscreens are not going to protect you from. This is mine of choice. I am a dry-skinned individual. This works as both my moisturizer and SPF. Step number 2 is going to be removing that makeup that you wear at the end of the day. That is actually the only thing that can speed up the aging of your skin faster than the sun, is leaving your makeup on. What I like to use to remove my makeup initially is this Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. I use this on a couple of cotton pads to remove my eye makeup and most of my face makeup, but that is not enough. You do not want to leave this on your skin. You want to use another cleanser. If you're not acne prone like me, you don't necessarily need to double cleanse after that, but you will want to actually wash your face in a sink. That wraps up our Tip Tuesday for this week. If you enjoyed or you learned something new, let me know by leaving a comment or a like down below. Everything does help. If you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. I would so appreciate that. You do help me out a ton by doing that, and I want to thank you in advance. I hope you're having a wonderful day or evening wherever you are. I hope you keep dreaming, and I will see you in my next video.